Guys, today I have a new friend. I can't wait to introduce you to Rosh Seilers. He's going to be talking today about Twitter video. Let's get started.
Owen Video!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Owen Video, reminding you to subscribe to the channel for killer videos twice a week, helping you to soar past your competition with video and live video strategies that will grow your business. Now today, we're talking with my buddy Rosh Seilers. I've been following this guy for a long time. I highly recommend you subscribe to his channel as well. He's gonna be talking about Twitter video, and this guy's very high impact. I'm gonna encourage you guys, watch this video. Check it out.
So how can you drive traffic with Twitter video? Twitter is an amazingly efficient social media platform. It's a media stream, and when you combine it with video, it's a powerful way to drive traffic to your website or blog. I like to refer to Twitter as the people's AP wire, just like the media companies use, like the Associated Press wire, to find news stories. I'm gonna write that one down. You follow people that offer specific types of information on Twitter, and people follow you based on the kind of information that you share. It's really important to have a niche on Twitter. Twitter is very keyword sensitive. You don't have a lot of room, 280 characters to share your thoughts. However, if you want to share more information, a video is a good way to do it. And with a good call to action, you can drive people to your website and blog. Now, Twitter really can be a fire hose of information, so you need to get people's attention. So the keywords that you use, the headlines, or the first words that you use in your post, as well as any kind of cards or imagery to get people's attention, is really important. And that includes getting the attention of people for your videos. It's really important today to promote our promotions, and Twitter is a great platform to do this. For example, a lot of times we have a cornerstone piece of content on our blog or maybe a video on YouTube, and we want to get the word out. Going live on Twitter can be an excellent way to drive traffic to your other social media. Now, when you go live on Twitter, you're actually using the powerful app Periscope, which gives you a lot of opportunity to share more information and ideas with your audience, unlike uploading a video directly to Twitter, which only allows you 140 seconds. Now, sharing your videos on Twitter can be really powerful, and if enough people retweet your content, you can reach a lot of people rather quickly. One thing I highly recommend is that you create a custom, easy to use URL so people can easily remember where to go after your video is over. For example, when I want people to go to my YouTube channel, I just let them know that they can go to rosh.video. Yep, that was shameless self-promotion. As we know, it's called social media, and keeping the social in social media is really important. And if you want to get people's attention, one of the things that you can do is use video to respond to people's tweets. Good idea. Now, you can share links from other platforms such as Vimeo and YouTube. However, this is becoming more and more important. Most of the social media platforms really do prefer and tend to favor natively uploaded video. I have found through the years, Twitter has been an amazingly powerful platform to help me drive traffic to my blog, which has helped to make me an expert in my field. Twitter is an excellent place to establish your expertise. Now, Twitter has taken me around the world because of the relationships and community that I have built right here. Now, when you add on video, it makes it all that much more powerful. Although Twitter isn't really designed for chatting, it is an excellent way to connect with other people and build a community. And it really is important to build a community because you want people to share your stuff. That is how you're going to drive traffic to new audiences. So make sure, just like all social media, the more you post at a high quality level, the more success you will have on Twitter. And the more you champion other people and retweet their stuff, the more apt they are to champion you. Interesting thought. If you really want to get good at social media, I highly recommend you use Twitter. And if you want to get better at video and even going live, I definitely recommend using the tools available on Twitter because it'll help you understand a little bit quicker what people like and what people react to, and that makes you more successful on social media. Thank you, Owen. I really appreciate the opportunity to share a few thoughts about Twitter video.
Thanks, Ross. You brought the heat today. It's awesome to see that. And if you're a YouTuber, if you're getting started and you want to get some exposure, this is the channel to get some exposure to. Get involved, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, let me know you're out there, and let's talk about it. Check out more of my videos over here. Geek out on the channel. We'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to share what you like. I'm Owen Video. We'll see you next time.